and the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. And I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. From what I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. But how long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on what I've seen, nothing's meant to last.
That's for sure.
And I can't move forward.
Why is that?
And I'm living in the past. And I'm living in the past. And I'm living in the past. I'm living in the past.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today, of course, with Natasha manning the cameras.
BOOZHOO!
And Nana BOOZHOO, the host of the show. BOOZHOO! I like to sing. I like to play the guitar. And so, this next song is a song by Jim Croce, and it's called Operator. Operator, can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, a guy that she said she knew once and almost hated. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell him I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can't read the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes, you know it happens every time. I think about the love that I thought would save me. Isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show I've overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. That's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. Operator, let's forget about this call. There's no one there I really needed to talk to. Thank you for your time. You've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, 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 no. That's not the way it feels. Operator by Jim Croce. And to close out the show, what do you think, Natasha? Should we do another Kiss song?
Well, yeah, gotta do a Kiss tune.
All right. Well, why not?
Now you're talking.
All right.
Woo! Yeah,
Thanks
yeah.
for watching, everybody. Come back tomorrow.
And you show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. What? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Almost. Take it away, Benjamin.
And you say you wanna go for a spin. The party just will go let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh? What?
No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Yeah. You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
You sure have.
Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay. We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Hoa.
Oh,
Hoa.
hikes. That was great.
That was really fun.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.